Hi, I'm Kate here with our other BeFit Food dietitians today, Laura and Rachel, and I'm talking to you about healthy party platters. I know how difficult it can be over the party season with all the different temptations when you're out and about, especially if you're having a drink. So these 7 healthy dips have under 100 calories a serve and they're easy to make at home, plus they're cheap too. And compared to store-made dips, they don't have all the added sugar and salt and preservatives. So what we've got here is vegetable-based dips. So we've got spinach dips, beetroot dips, capsicum, pumpkin, all sorts of different dips, plus lots of legumes in these dips too, which is great for dietary fiber and protein. And over here with Laura, we've got a beetroot hummus that we're going to make today with some chickpeas, which are also high in dietary fiber, the beetroots, which are a great source of antioxidants, plus some iron and manganese. We've got garlic and some cayenne pepper for a bit of spice, or you can use some cumin. And we've got our tahini made from some fresh sesame seeds and a little bit of water to blend it. And with Rachel, we're doing a spinach dip today. Yep. So we've got some ricotta, some Greek yogurt, red onion, the spinach leaves, and a nice mix here of the chili, garlic, and olive oil to blend that together. So we're going to go and put these together and come show you how they're made. So here with Laura, we're going to make the beetroot hummus today. So we're going to add our chickpeas. So just 1 can of chickpeas, and try and buy the no added salt variety. We've got some baby beetroot as well. They're nice and sweet naturally. Now we've got some lemon juice. So juice of about 2 to 3 fresh lemons. Some tahini paste. Try and buy a natural one, but generally speaking, it's really only the crushed sesame seeds anyway. Plus a little bit of garlic and some cayenne pepper for spice. If you don't like it spicy, you can use some cumin seeds as an alternative. And then we're just going to blend these up, and literally that is it. That's how you make the beetroot and hummus. The beetroot and hummus. So it's that simple. We just combine all of the ingredients together, and that's how you make the beetroot hummus. So we're going to make our spinach and ricotta dip now. So a few basic ingredients. We've got our spinach leaves. Yes. And a bit of red onion. Now we've got some Greek yogurt, nice high protein, high in calcium as well. So this dip is going to be 100 calories per serve, and some ricotta cheese. Oops. And last of all, we've got a combination here of some olive oil, some lime juice, some garlic, and a little bit of fresh chili as well. So if you don't like spice, just omit the chili. And we're just going to blend this up.
Ready to go.
So how'd the ricotta and spinach dip come
Absolutely
up?
Great. A really nice, easy consistency.
Fantastic. Yum. So this one's a great source of fiber, protein, and calcium as well, and just 100 calories. So an essential part of any healthy party platter is what you're going to serve the dips with. So today we're making a 5-seed cracker. Now this has got pumpkin seeds, pepita seeds, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds. Now we've soaked all of the seeds for about an hour using water until it forms a gel-like consistency, and then we're going to pop in some thyme and some rosemary, mix that through for flavour, and if you want you can put a little bit of a Himalayan sea salt. We're going to spread it out onto a baking tray and then bake it in the oven flat for around 30 minutes. Take it out, crack it, and another 30 minutes until it's crispy, and you end up with these lovely 5-seed crackers.